My dear friends, myself, Professor Dr. Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. Today's tablet is Pallrywyn Fort Tablet. Pallrywyn Fort Tablet is the best herbal fertility support. Actually, this Pallrywyn tablet helps to improve the overall energy in the females. It helps to boost both men and women, helps to reduce the stress and anxiety. My dear friends, you know that sex is more than just a physical response, and emotions play a very important role. Lack of energy and stress can also affect your performance, which may lead to the sexual anxiety. Pallrywyn Fort is a herbal restorative tonic which helps to relieve the anxiety and improve the strength. It helps to enhance overall energy in both the genders. Pallrywyn tablet contains Kapikachu, which improves the nourishment, balances hormones, and imparts sexual wellness in both male and woman. Pallrywyn tablet contains ashwagandha. It is a Vajikaran herb that is aphrodisiac, which acts as an aphrodisiac and a restorative agent. Ashwagandha also relieves the stress and reduces the performance related anxiety. Pallrywyn tablet contains amalaki. It is an antioxidant. Amalaki protects the reproductive organs from free radical damage and maintains their health and vigor. Pallrywyn tablet contains gokshura. Gokshura increases some of the sex hormones and may be useful in mild to moderate cases of sexual dysfunction. Gokshura is a potent aphrodisiac. It balances hormone levels and maintains the physical and mental well being. My dear friends, Pallrywyn tablet can be taken 1 to 2 tablets twice a daily or as per advice of your physician. My dear friends, this particular 20 tablets will cost you around rupees 230. My dear friends, if you like to hear such short audios, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.